How to choose a hernia surgeon. If you have a hernia that needs to be repaired, it is critical to decide who your surgeon will be. You should feel completely confident that the surgeon that you choose has the highest degree of hernia knowledge attainable, as well as a compassionate manner. Dr. Gabriel Arevalo, certified by the American Board of Surgery, is among the few physicians in Houston, Texas with advanced training in hernia surgery. He provides state-of-the-art hernia repairs utilizing the latest technology and has a proven track record of delivering excellent results and smooth recoveries in hundreds of hernia cases. His excellent academic training and national leadership role as a member of the most influential surgical societies in the world gives him the expertise to help you understand the right hernia treatment for you. Remember, it's your body. Demand knowledge, technology, and compassion. Whether you need a first opinion or a second opinion, make an appointment now to talk to Dr. Arevalo about a hernia repair tailored to your needs.